Now,
Okay.
this is kabaddi. Whether it is going to be Amit Academy or Bheni School, that is the question. That is the biggest question that needs to be answered, and the winner of this team will definitely decide that. Amit Ashok Academy. Definitely, I also have alongside my very good friend and my senior. I wouldn't call him. He's Arvind there. He's coming in. Look at that. First point for Ashok
One
Malik on
Thank
point.
you
court.
so
Amit
much,
Left
Naveen.
corner goes
Ashok
out.
Academy.
The reason I said his senior is not on the age,
Calling
Arvind.
me a
Don't take
senior
it
is
wrong.
quite an offense. I will take strong offense to that. I do enjoy
No,
comment you, and you are definitely the more experienced the senior.
I was only meaning on the age, Arvind.
Just like you see with all the, just like you see with all these young kids. You know
Oh,
what
now
I
you say
feel
young
is that
kids. There
just
you
like you see amongst
go.
the
2 point. NK
Now Umesh has
Academy.
got a point there, but you are the man who is saying these you're saying kids again. No, I call them lads.
good for you. I approach. I will also.
News.
It's a very exciting auction coming up, and a lot of the young lads from here are
Jersey
really
number
looking
7 out.
forward to playing in
1
that
point.
tournament. We have
Amit
heard
and Ashok
some players telling us
Academy.
that they've already been called by franchisees. You know, there are players getting opportunity, getting invited for trial. There is so much activity happening, and for
Look at that! Look at that strategy! Look at that technique that they learn out of this mat and Gravelite. I'm so happy for Gravelite
Rider out.
being associated
1
with us,
point.
and all thanks to
Amit and
you and your
Ashok
team. To
Academy.
bring such a wonderful co-sponsor to present us this high-class mats that these lads are getting used to. Malik, has he been gushed out? Yes, he has been. What a
Rider
strong
out
push
of
that
one.
was by
Different
Manish,
defender
the
both
captain
out defense.
himself.
Out of ball.
Captain gets captain now. Right. Oh, each 1 point. Right. What is the referee trying to tell us here? Let's look at this replay. Very interesting one. Ashu Malik goes out. None of the defender went out actually. None of the defender actually went out. So there is a bit of scoring correction that we'll be doing. Right. Coming back to Gravelite, Arvind. A few words about them. How did you guys kind of approach them and
mat at the end is a collection of one by one units, and ensuring each of
Rider
these
true?
out.
units are
1
well
point.
manufactured.
Amit and
They
Ashok
they
Academy.
intermesh.
Very true. Very true. Right. So it is a super tackle. Yes.
Out.
All
2
out here, I
point.
believe,
2
for
plus 2
Ashu
point. 4
Malik.
point. Amit and
There we
Ashok
go.
Academy.
2 for the raid and 2 for the all out. What a
First
lead
half,
here
first time
by
out. Amit
Amit
and
Ashok
Academy.
Academy. So NK Academy, they may be the toppers on that knockout stages, but their coach coming in and just asking him to tighten up all ends here. But also, you mentioned about the other sports that Gravelite will be looking at and also doing their bit in. Is Kabaddi Adda looking at the Coco next sport as Arvind?
Social change in India itself.
Right, right. No. Even I was getting to that point where Umesh now gets a point after a
2
long time. Couple
point.
of points there for the
NK
Raider.
Academy.
Right after a while, after the chat for the coach
2
that
and
the
55.
Raiders are not getting in points. NK Academy finally getting some raid points there under their belt. So I was trying to tell you, you mentioned Gravelite being a very passionate sponsors, and also now their motto is also trying to look at Coco as another game as well. So I just went in so quickly, crossed that block line, made that raid legal. Now it is up to the captain now, Ashu Malik. Should get somebody in. The angle hole coming in. He's got that point.
2
Has he got
point.
Divas?
4 and 7 out.
Yes. Yes, it's
Amit
got
Academy. 2
Divas and
point.
Christian, both of them. A 2-point raid on a do-or-die raid here for the captain, Ashu Malik. Both right corner and right in. Both of them going for that angle hole. Both of them being eliminated for a while now on the bench. You guys go.
You know,
Pleasure
he
now
sends
on
them
the
off me.
academy. Right.
You know, talking about technology, Naveen, another thing I think we should acknowledge is the fantastic technology that fan code is bringing, right?
Jersey number 2 out.
What
1
FanCode has
point.
brought to
True.
the
NK
table is the
Academy.
ability for so much sport to come online at so many times in the day.
Hmm.
They have been a very uh, accommodative partner, working along with the challenges of all coming together. Really have to work hard, hand in hand, to deliver such a mega event over 17 days, 18 over 18 days and 17 days
Point.
of kabaddi, 59 games of kabaddi. We are down to the last
Right.
4 games, Naveen. It's
Super
been a
Yes.
cricket.
breathtaking
2
18
point.
days, I
Amit
can
and
say that.
Ashok Academy.
Yes, and a breathtaking super tackle here as well. Akshay Kumar putting in that, but the block came in first by Deepak on that right corner. Look at that.
This our camera crew, they really enjoy doing this work, so everyone's putting the effort. Everyone's putting the weather beyond them and delivering these hard efforts. We don't often acknowledge the
Very
crew
true.
in the background, right, when we do these events.
Correct.
And
Correct.
wow,
Correct.
what a
38
raid.
and 4
He
out.
flew across the
2
midline.
Look at that. Look.
Amit and Ashok Academy.
Ravish there again showing his powers that he can just bulldoze through those defenders, and Amit Ashok Academy have it today scripted for them that yes, we will make sure topmost watched and viewed sport worldwide.
No, see, he is definitely.
Raider out. 1 point.
I mean,
Amit and
I
Ashok
think
Academy.
the
Yes, Arvind, go on.
Yeah, no, there is no doubt about the coach. He's a two-time
Correct.
PKL winning coach.
Half
Correct.
time.
Uh,
Coach change.
and
Correct.
players like that are all why the sport is so exciting, right? They bring so much experience, expertise, and success to the story that the players
Right.
coming behind them have something great to look forward to. Not just Arjuna Awards, Dronacharya Awards, but also legends to learn from, to live up to. Sometimes when you have
Very true. Very true.
when you have somebody to look up to and someone to live up to, you push yourself to excel, and that's what these are. Manish Angrez, for example, as the captain of the NK team, has been, he's a leader of that team on the mat. When he speaks, he genuinely commands control and players, right?
Correct.
Bonus plus 1 point. NK
So,
Academy.
so all these kabaddi lads that they will be superstars for tomorrow, and also talking about, because see, as Rohit Raghav there has been stopped in his ranks, and finally NK Academy has been all out, and what a lead this is. Bonus will be given there, but not the points. Right, Arvind, I was just talking about the Kabaddi Association as well. You've been touching with the Haryana Association, and also all the big names like Anup Kumar coming in. Diamonds
See,
and
I think
goals.
I think, getting to these 50 plus villages was a function of the Kabaddi community being so well connected, and the kind of investment, support, and efforts that the federation has put in, right? From helping us conceptualize the event, to planning, to execution, to getting someone like Anup to work with us on the venue, to also, most importantly, making sure the event is run in these grim times, right? Remember, we are all living in COVID.
Pushes him back. All out for Amit Ashok Academy in this match. They have been all out, and what a comeback here by NK Academy. After that first half, just breezing away with Amit Ashok Academy's rating and defense points. NK Academy now making a strong comeback. Just 5 points now for NK Academy. In fact, they are trailing by that 5 points, and Amit Ashok Academy leading that. And
He's practicing the dubki. I'm like, man, how
Right.
can a guy of that height even attempt a dubki? But he's giving it.
Raider out. 1 point.
Arvind,
Amit
when
and
you
Ashok
were standing next to
Academy.
Bharat, were you looking up to him?
So I do look up to him, but as you know, I'm a very tall, well-built person. Since you can't see me, let me tell you whatever that is.
All right. I will.
See, Bharat is, he's really a very quality talent. And let's keep it at that. Let's not worry about his height, how tall I am.
Right.
But he's a player that I think I will look up to. I expect to see a lot of fireworks from him in the next few years. I expect him to be a big.
Great, but Akshay Kumar making sure. That was a fantastic tackle, but what a tackle. This is once again here by Israel opportunity. Do or die raid situation, pressure on Ankit. He has to go out. 2 points for NK Academy. Just a 6-point lead now. 3 minutes to go. Amit Ashok Academy has to maintain this. Manish Angres gives the words of wisdom.
Performances also.
Bonus plus 1 point. NK
Very
Academy.
true, very true. Look at that. Do or die raid. Bonus plus 1. And that shows the intensity. Out goes Rajesh. And Umesh steals that bonus of Akshay. Very, very tough to do that. And look at Rajesh. Look at Rajesh. The retrieving skills not there is too good for him. And you talking about that intensity. It's just a 4-point lead for Amit Ashok Academy. Of course, that's enough for them to go through. Do or die raid here again, once again for Ravish. But look at the world of confidence that this NK Academy will carry forward. Even for a game that they are very comfortably placed, they are putting their heart out.
Raided out.
Intensity.
1 point.
Once
NK
again.
Academy.
Krishna, the man. Ankle
This
hold.
sort of
Sends out
mental
Ravish.
conditioning, right? Yeah. This sort of mental conditioning is what.
Very true. Because see, that's what I was mentioning. There is something to do with this number 7 as jersey captains, right? You know, the jersey number 7 with all the something there. No, see, so much coolness, so much calmness. There you go. That's the final whistle. Amit Ashok Academy go through to that super knockout stages tomorrow. That's going to happen. They seal their 4th position. And NK Academy, for the first time here in the Super 6 stages, have lost a first of their match. But they will be the top of the table.